Welcome to this tutorial on how to add a worker node to an existing Kubernetes cluster using Utho Cloud. In this guide, we'll walk you through each step so you can easily scale your Kubernetes setup to meet your application needs. Before we begin, make sure you have an active Utho Cloud account and access to an existing Kubernetes cluster. If you're ready, let's get started. Step 1. Log into Utho Cloud. Head over to your Utho Cloud dashboard. Log in using your credentials and navigate to the Kubernetes section. Step 2. Access your cluster. Locate your existing Kubernetes cluster. Once found, click to open the details page. Step 3. Add a worker node. In the clusters menu, select the Add Node option. This will allow you to configure and add a new worker node to your cluster. Step 4. Choose node configuration. Here, you'll select the specifications for the new worker node. Choose your preferred machine type, number of CPUs, RAM, and storage. Adjust these settings according to your project requirements. You can select from a variety of instance sizes depending on the load your application will generate. Step 5. Network configuration. Ensure that the worker node is placed within the same network as your cluster for seamless integration. If necessary, adjust firewall settings or security groups. Step 6. Finalize and add node. After reviewing your configuration, click on Add Node. Utho Cloud will now provision the worker node and integrate it with your Kubernetes cluster. Step 7. Confirm node addition. Once the node is successfully added, you can verify it by checking the Nodes section in your Kubernetes dashboard. The new worker node should now be listed as part of your cluster. And that's it. You've successfully added a worker node to your existing Kubernetes cluster using Utho Cloud. Now your cluster is ready to scale and handle even more workloads. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials, tips, and guides, be sure to subscribe and check out our other content. Happy coding and good luck with your Kubernetes journey. Remember, Kubernetes clusters are dynamic and can change over time. As your application grows, you might want to add even more nodes or scale them down. With Utho Cloud, this process is seamless, and you can manage your infrastructure from a single dashboard. Remember, Kubernetes clusters are dynamic and can change over time. As your application grows, you might want to add even more nodes or scale them down. With Utho Cloud, this process is seamless, and you can manage your infrastructure from a single dashboard. Make sure to also monitor your cluster's health using Kubernetes built-in monitoring tools or third-party solutions. Keeping an eye on metrics like CPU, memory usage, and network traffic is essential to maintaining a stable environment. Thank you for watching this tutorial.